Okay, another question from coordinate geometry. According to the question, three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A, B, C. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertex D. So first, let's just draw a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a four-sided figure or a quadrilateral having opposite sides equal and parallel as well. So a rough figure I have drawn. So I can mention all the four vertices as A, B, this is C, and this is D. Because if we go according to the given information, so the given information, it is taken in order, like in cyclic order, like one by one, you can't take A after C and all. Let's just write down the given ordered pair as well. So for A, this is 3, -4. For B, this is -1, -3. For C, this is -6 and 2. For D, we have to find. So let's just take X and Y. Let coordinate of D as X, Y. So here, to find out the coordinate for D, we have to use property of parallelogram. So we are aware that diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other, that means they are equally dividing each other. Equally means, so I can consider that the ratio is also equal. Half. And if I go for half, that means I can take 1:1. So I am going to take the ratio between this two and these two are 1:1. And let's just assume this is point O. So one more formula which I want to introduce over here, that is midpoint formula. When in section formula, M and N are in ratio 1 or 1. Or if I say that if whatever the line or whatever the distance is being divided into two equal parts. So the ratio initially goes to 1 up to 1. So we can take it as like section formula for value of X or whatever the point would be. I will take 1 time of X2 plus 1 time of X1, and 1 means X2 plus X1 over 1 plus 1, that is 2. And same goes for Y. Y2 plus Y1 over 1 plus 1, that is again 2. So this is also called as midpoint formula. So here I got an idea about how we can solve it up. Like I got to know these all parts are midpoint formula. So I want to find value for this only. Let's just find coordinate of O with the help of AC. For AC, O is the midpoint. This implies coordinate of O, I can say A and B. Let's just take AB. So A will be equals to, I can take X2, X1, -6 plus 3 over 2, and B as Y2 plus Y1. That means 2 minus 4 over 2. So I got A as -3 over 2, comma B as -2 over 2. Or I can say A comma B is nothing but -3 by 2, comma -1. Yep. Let me erase this one. That was for just general understanding. Okay, so I got coordinate of this O is -3 by 2, comma 1. Now, if we go with this line, BD, again O is the midpoint. So O, for O again AB, I can take this time A as x2 as this and x1 as this. That means x minus 1 over 2 and B as y minus 3 over 2. And I can substitute value. This is negative 3 by 2 equals to x minus 1 by 2, comma, negative 1 equals to y minus 3 by 2. Let's just solve this first. So 2, or either I can say 2 got eliminated both the side, negative 3, and I'll take this negative 1 towards the left hand side. That would be positive 1 equals to x. I can write it x equals to negative 2. And from here, I'll multiply this 2 with negative 1. Negative 2 equals to y minus 3. I'll take this towards the left hand side. Negative 2 plus 3 equals to y. So I got y equals to positive 1. So x equals to negative 2 and y equals to positive 1. So we found out vertices for D, which are x comma y. That means negative 2 comma 1. That's it.